Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can adjust touch controls on your Amazon Echo Buds. First of all, on Amazon Alexa application you have to go for the devices, select Echo and Alexa, and select your buds. Next you have to scroll down for the customization, tap right here, and we can find single tap, double tap, triple tap and long press and hold gesture. So let's for example adjust the single tap. As you can see currently on the left one, this function is simply disabled. When you click on it once, we can simply enable play and a pause. When you go for the right, we can also stay with the play and pause or simply disable the single tap. When you go for the double tap, you can adjust between the play pause, next track, previously track, ANC, basically the ambient sound, or simply disable. The same for the left one. On the triple tap, we can set other options like for example volume up or volume down. You can also mute or unmute the microphone. And on the press and hold, you are able to switch between the same options actually. So that's how we can do this. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.